Hello, I'm attorney Scott Lesowitz, and apparently this is what Pat McAfee thinks about working for the WWE if it's sold to somebody he does not like.
The balls are ringing! The balls are ringing! Goal!
Ouch. Anyway, in 2022, Pat McAfee signed a multi-year contract extension to continue performing commentary work for the WWE. But on February 22nd, 2023, Pat tweeted the following: "Baby girl on the way. What's that mean for my future with WWE? I love it, but they're allegedly going to be sold. Who's buying them? Do I want to make money for those people?" So unless Pat has some kind of opt-out in his contract, even if the WWE is sold, if Pat just leaves and refuses to perform any work under his contract, he would be in breach of contract. The first question is, could the WWE force Pat to finish out his contract even if Pat refuses? And I'm not talking about forcing him like this.
Wait a minute, what the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Get off him!
No, what I'm talking about is, could the WWE go to a court and ask the judge to order Pat to finish out his contract and make his required appearances? The answer to that is no. A court in the United States will not order someone to perform personal services. While not common, a court could, in theory, because Pat does have unique, exceptional skills as an entertainer and as a commentator and athlete, order Pat not to perform the similar services that he's performing for WWE for another company during the term of the contract if he refuses to fulfill it. For example, in 1961, there was a basketball player, Richard Barnett, who had a contract with an NBA team, but he left to go play for an ABA team, when the NBA and ABA were competing pre-merger, and the NBA sued and the court ordered him not to play for the ABA team. With that in mind, I think it's very unlikely that Pat could breach his contract and go work for a competitor to the WWE like the AEW. Another question might be, well, what does similar work mean? So Pat is doing commentating work for the WWE in addition to some wrestling. Well, does this mean he can't do commentary on football games? No, he's fine. The WWE would not be able to stop him from doing any work outside of wrestling. Doing commentary for wrestling is not like doing commentary for football or any other sport. Like, for instance, a college football analyst would not do the following.
Pat, come on, no, not this way, Pat! Come on, get some security down here, Pat, don't let him get to you!
What's more common is for an entertainer to be sued for damages for backing out of a contract. For example, the actress Kim Basinger was sued and had to wind up paying over $3 million for backing out of her agreement to be the female lead in the movie Boxing Helena. That said, it's very hard to imagine the WWE would sue Pat for damages. What's much more likely and much more common when someone like an athlete refuses to perform the rest of the contract is that the employer, the team, whomever it is, just doesn't pay the person anymore. You're not working for us anymore. Okay, we don't pay you. There could be an issue if Pat was paid money up front for services that were to be performed later. He might have to pay some of that back, or all of that back. And for a final thought, it's quite possible that Pat has flexibility in his contract anyway. For instance, after he signed his multi-year extension, Pat did take a hiatus for the college football season. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.